Hello everyone. So today we are here with our next virtual contest. So today we are going to give divide by 0 2021 and code forces round 714 div 2. It's an virtual participation, so let's start. Okay, it's coming to the registration site. Yeah. So it's about 12:10 we will start. So yeah, I will do. Okay, so it is starting in couple of seconds. So yes. So let's okay. Let's see the first question. What the question is saying. The first line contain an integer t number of test case. T lines of each containing an and k the length of the array and the required number of peaks. It's a constructive array problem and the required number of peaks. Fine. Okay. Output t lines for each test case if there is peaks, so give -1, otherwise print a line containing n space separated, which forms a permutation from number 1 to n and contain exactly k peaks. Okay, fine. A sequence n integer is called permutation if it contain all integers from 1 to n exactly once. Fine. Given two integer n and k, construct a permutation a from 1 to n which has exactly k peaks. Fine. It has k peaks. An index I is of an array A of size n is said to be big if okay, fine. So here we need to find peak. Oh, fine. So we need to see that means what would be the condition for peak? Fine. That it should have maxima. Fine. Should have maxima. So if we see between two small elements, we need to include one big element. So if we see the examples, 1 and 0, 1 only, 5 and 2, and uh, let me draw the case. One. Yeah, what could be the case for if n equal to, if n is an odd number, like let's say 5. So how it could be? Maximum peaks, how many possibles? That we need to see. 3, 4, 5. This could be done. Another one is like another one is like uh should have to. Okay, this is the only case, and if n equal to 6, so on this case this could be possible. 2, and yeah, it would be 2 only. 2 peaks could be possible. We can count this as a peak. No, because here is condition now. 1 to n, 1 to n, such that I is greater than. Okay, fine. So if we take the case of 1, in 1 is an exceptional case, like no, in 1 is like no peak required, so that is why it's fine. Otherwise it would be -1. So 5 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, which is 3 peaks. And let's see, 1 minute. 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 divided by 3. So yeah, In case of 4, if we see, no, 3, 1. So n divided by 2. If it's even, so n divided by 2 minus 1, and if it's odd, so n divided by 2. Peaks, maximum peaks could be possible. So if we see 5, which is 2, and yeah, it would be possible because 5 divided by 2 is 2. Another one is 6, not, it's not possible. 2, n divided by 2, 1 minus 1, 0, not possible. A single also. Then 6, 6, if we see 6 divided by 2, 3, and yeah, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 minus 1, 2 maximum could be possible. And yeah, here is less, so we can construct this easily. Fine. So okay, now the thing is to construct this. Fine. So how we can do? I will do like this. Like, if we see the case of like how I can do, it's like I will take one smallest one. I will short the things like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 1 6, then another one, then 3. How many which are possible? So, and if like here only one case is possible, so 1 6 3, then the thing, same thing will go on 4 5, means it would go straight. So that's how I will do. And if we see 1 3 4 5, so I would do like 1 5, then 2, then 4, then 3, like this it will go on. Fine. So like this I'm going to do. So yeah, that I'm planning to do. Okay, so uh, yes, let's do it right now. We got the things how to do. Time to implement the things. Okay, so if I'm doing what we need to see is like 1 minute. Fine. And after that, what I will do, scene, and after this, what I will check that and percentage 2 is an even number. We'll do that and divide by 2. And divide by 2 is what we can say, like k greater than n by 2 minus 1. So you should print out minus 1 that and return it, or else do the operations. Fine. Similarly here also, like, yeah, better orientation is required. Here also is greater than divided by 2. So on that you pull it out, enter, and after that do your things what you need to do. Like, okay, so what will be the k? So on the basis of that I will do. So I will take an array. Fine. So let's like p of I and p of like this I will do. So I plus plus. So v of I is equal to I plus 1. I will do. So I had all the things required. And what next I will do? Or sorted. It is already in sorted order. So what's going to do? What I'm going to like, yeah, I will use while loop, LL while loop, in which I put the condition minus minus. Many peaks are there, and first peak like mm, like let's do it like this only. Uh, we just like 0 to I less than I plus 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 equal to 2 and like I of 1, so it will go like and k do some count operations also like count equal to 0. So yeah, we'll check count should be count should be okay, fine. So yeah, not equal count should be okay, fine. So yeah, I will check that v of I will put v of I as -1 and minus, fine. So like this I will do, and after that I had something better. Hmm. No, like the thing I can put like uh that v of I with v of n minus count. So fine, it would give us right thing. And after that I will do plus plus. So like here, if I see 1 2 3 4 5, like here also if I see 1 2 3 4 5, so start from here. So it would start from here. We need to do k till 2, and count is already 1. So it will swap this with this, so it would be 6 2. After that 6 and 2, and count become now 2. So 2 is equal to 2, fine. So it will go here and swap this also with whom, count n minus 2, fine. So after this it is like this, and fine. So it would give us right answer, and yeah, we'll print this out. Auto a and yeah, and yeah. Similarly I will do for this also. Here also I will do similar operations, and yeah, it is done. and we'll write n equal to 1 and k is equal to 0. So on that case, we have ended return and equal to 1 and k is greater than 0. On that case, of course, we have -1 you need to. So like this I will do, and now I am pretty sure that everything is working fine. So uh, wait a second. It was a application, like if we see here, n percent is 2. Okay, k6 is great. 1 is n by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3, 2. It is greater 1. Okay, it's fine. And I will do loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After this, what I'm going to do, select 2, and yeah, I swap with n minus 1. So 6 and 2, and count become 2. So yeah, it would break after coming here. It would be like 6, 3, 4, 5, 2. No, 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 no. After swapping to this, I need to short it out. These things, short it out. Yeah, it is required to sort out. So going to this, I equal to minus 1. So e dot, so I will pick the v of I equal to v, let's say n, v1, and inside this I will do, like, I will start from j is equal to, wait a second, let's declare here I. So j, from j I will do I equal to j, so I will go and j I plus plus v1 dot back. Inside this it will carry this, fine. So they had carried this v1 dot sort dot v1 dot uh, begin, v1 dot end. Yeah, I did sorting. After that I will merge this both things. So for, again I will 1 equal to 0. So I will write v of I should equal to v1 of count plus plus Fine. So I think now it would work properly. Better. Oh, fine. Now it seems everything is fine. Like if I take 1 2 3 4 5 also, 1 2 3 4 5 also. So yeah, it would work. Like if we see here, uh, where is the case of odd? Yeah, here is the case where k is how much? K is about how much? K is 2, no? 2 is 5 divided by 2. No, go here, it will do this. After that, count 1. So it will start from here. It will go 1 is like swap count count 1 n minus 1. So swap with this 5 and 2 would be here, and count plus plus, and now it will go here. 1 second, like 1 2 3 4 5. So how it would be the case? Okay, so it will do like this. From here it swapped to this. After this it will go here. So yeah, it will swap with itself only. Fine. And count plus plus. Fine. And yeah, it's completed this. Completed here. After that, j is I plus 1, and I is here. Like after that, what would be the I? I will become, count become 3, and I would become here initially 0 1 2 3 4. 3 was I, so 5. So it would be 4, and yeah, so 4. Fine. Everything is like okay, it's fine. Count 1 plus plus it. Okay, let's run this with sample cases. Yeah, what's this error? Here, why it is giving us error? What's wrong in this? I think it's fine. Okay, okay, okay. I think this case. Yeah, yeah, I got it. This is the case. Yeah, I declared like error, but should not be. Okay, let's do it. One, then 15342, 15342. It's fine. It's fine. After that, 162. Okay, then 2345. Yeah, it's working so nicely. And yeah, let's take another case which could be possible. Two and give me one. Okay, let's check it out. And give me this. If I'm giving six, and give me two peaks. 16352. Fine, it's working nice. If I'm giving seven and give me two peaks. 173 and 6245. Yeah, it's nice. Give me three peaks. 1736. Okay. You now just give me one peak. 172 3456. Nice. Now give me zero peak. Okay. Now I think it is better to submit this question. So yeah, let's submit this one. Wrong answer. How is it possible? I checked each and everything. How is it possible to be a wrong answer here? Hmm. Okay. That's 704. Yes, again, let's redo. Okay, let's read the question again. As continue to keep peaks. exactly k peaks. Exactly k peaks. And it is like everything is fine. So where it is like lacking, I'm not getting. But what point? Like I taken the case of one also. One, two. Then if I take three, so yeah, then that case also it is giving correct answer only. Yeah, and if I take techniques, 49 is possible. Yeah, like this. It is like easily seen. Like it is possible. So why it is not giving? Um, literally, I don't know where I'm lacking here. I did everything right. It's major concern. Like it's 8 and if it's 3, so maximum peaks. Okay. Okay. So where it is, the problem is coming. I check one also, 100 case also. Okay, I think some problem is coming. Okay, so let me see afterwards. No problem if it's not happening right now. We'll see again. Second, let me move to second question. What the question is saying. Question is saying is like first line contain denoting number of test case. First line of each test case contain a single integer and the size of the array. Second line of each test case contain n integers. The element of the array is guaranteed that sum of n overall test case doesn't exceed this. And contains number of test case. The first line of each test case contain a single integer and the size of the array. Okay. Where ith line contain a good permutation in the ith test case modulo. Number of fine. A sequence of n non-negative integers n start from 2 is called good if for all I from 1 to n minus 1 the following condition holds, that this AND operation, they are doing AND operation, following condition hold if this to this is equal to this, where this denotes the bitwise AND operation. You are given an exercise. Find the number of permutation of P of number range from 1 to n for which the sequence is good. Okay, given find number of permutations number from 1 to n for which the sequence is good. Okay, how many numbers could be possible, that we need to see. Okay, and operation we are doing here, checking what the basic property of an AND says. It's like if 1 and 1 is there, then only 1, otherwise no, everything is no. So if I'm doing 1 and 1, so it will give that only. uh, Otherwise it will always give a number which is less than this if we did do AND operation with any number. Fine. And like yesterday we do the OR operation on also, so on that we observe the things like this are equal on that case. How? Okay, six permutations can be possible. Since all the number are equal, whatever permutation we take, the sequence is good. There is total six permutation possible with the number from 1 to 3. 1 to 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Nice. Okay. total permutations that could be possible. If we see this also, this is the total possibilities. If every number is unique, so if every number is same, so answer would be factorial, 3 factorial. And if everything is unique, so answer would be 0 otherwise. If we do a XOR operation with 0, so definitely it will give us 0. That's agreed. If we see the 5 factorial, 24 into 5, which is 120, and 120, and its result is 236. Mhm. If I do 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 3, 0, 0 and 0, and operation, if I do with mm, if it's 3, so it would work in every case except the things which we kept in mind, that all zeros should, if are in left side, so yeah, that case it would not. So case there are total 33 because S1 is S1 is this, S1 and S2. So fine. So here what logic we can use. Okay, close here. let's do it like this. What I learned watching this, like in bit masking, you should try to observe the patterns, so that always try to make this in binary. Okay, 3 would be like, then 5, 0, 1, then 4, 1 again. So what end operation we need to see the bits. If bits are same, then only it would not damage, otherwise it will always damage. So if I do this 1 and this, so it will give us. What we need to see is like AND operation between A and B if gives C. So C is always be less than A and B. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Completely true. Until and unless A and B are not equal. Fine. So, doing some stuffs. Okay. And what if I multiply this to this 1, 1, 1? It will result me the smallest number. So, okay. I guess the answer at the end would always be 1 and 0. I guess. I guess. So let's see another one. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. So if I do this OR operation here, oh, sorry, AND operation, mm, it will result me to 0. That's also result me 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. Whatever would be the sequence, it will always result doing 0. Okay, because some of them it would not. So I'm not getting the logic behind this. So let's move to C. This feels so bad, like I was not able to solve a single question. Don't know, like today's contest, I think some good quality contest is there. It's this. Let's see how many people did. 9,000. Yeah, it was easy question, but I what the thing is like I was getting around text case. Hmm, add one. Fine. What the question is saying, we are given an integer n. Okay, first let's read the questions. Only line of each test case contained to it. Each number operations. Test case. How for each test case output the length of the resulting number modulo 10 raised to the power 9 plus 7. For each test case output the length of the resulting number. Okay, you are given an integer n, you have to apply m operation to it. In a single operation you must replace every digit t. Okay, you must replace every digit t of the number with the decimal representation of the integer d plus 1. For example, 1912 will become is every digit d of the number 1 will become 2, 9 will become 10, 1 will become 2, 2 will become 3 after applying the operations once. You have to find length of n, length, you have to find the length of n after applying m operations. Okay, so 5, fine. I need to think little bit clever minded. I think this needs some calculations also. So we need to find the length. Let's say the initial length is n only. Fine. That is very long. We can't traverse the loop also. If like n is like 10 raised to power 9. So we can traverse till 10 raised to power 5 only. So we can't traverse the loop. Yeah, it's sure. We can't traverse the loop. Else what I'm going to see here is like while m minus minus operation I will do, and inside it what calculation is required. And the string length is also keep rising as we go after and after. And this will keep rising. Hmm. Okay, here if I see some formula is going on, some mathematical calculations, L, if not after that also it will go L only, if not twice. Max to max, how many times L would come? Yes, 1 it will become L plus 2 it will become. Okay, max to max it will go from a range of L to 2L. Max to max is L, it will go to 2L. Yeah, if the range is L, so it will go to 2L. Max to max range. So in any order. Otherwise, it will be in between this only. But, okay, let's depend upon the number of, like if all the numbers are 9, so it will directly go to 12. Otherwise, how many numbers are 9? So on the basis of that only it will increase. Like if there are 4 numbers which are 9, so it will increase like L plus 4. Fine, L plus 4 it will increase. And if there are 5 numbers, so 5 plus 5, 10, like that it will increase. Yeah, the number would be the base. The number is totally depend upon 9. How many nines are there after each operation? But the thing is that if I traverse the loop via this again, so it will give me TLE. So I can't do that. Yeah, I can't do that. It will give me TLE. Just 19. What could be the other operation? I can short the things like if I take the number in a form of string. So let's do it. 1129, and I will check that if last one is 9. So that also, if there are all 9, so it would create a problem. Okay, I am checking. I shorted the things. Check the last item, but yeah, last I checked that if it's 9, so I increased by 1. But I need to check everything, like every number I need to check for every operation, like till what it goes to 9. Fine. Let me see. One thing is like, don't need this. Okay, something better is here. It's fine. Time complexity. Okay, I will count the occurrence of 9. Okay, let's say I find the occurrence of 9. So, how many occurrence of 9? So I will do n into 1. Means like, what will be the fine? Like, if I found n occurrence, so l plus 9, n. So all 9 will become 10. So after that, here also I will do. Mm, okay, means like I counted this, add this. After that, I will see the occurrence of 8. Okay, that also I will increase. After that, I will see the occurrence of 7. That also I will increase. That's kept going. M operations are there. So fine, fine. That also want to come this race. See if what I was thinking is right or wrong. 'It can do 6 operations. 2 plus 2. Okay, double. Thing I'm getting. Hmm. 'Okay. not getting this. Okay, so let's focus on first one only. Mhm. Spanning tree. Okay. Mm, where it could fail. Let's focus on that. Again, we will read the question. Okay. N. N is very small. Output T lines for each test case. If there is no permutation with given length and number of peaks, then print -1. Otherwise, print a line containing n space-separated integers which form a permutation of number from 1 to n and contain exactly k peaks. Contains exactly k peaks. 36542. Okay, let's solve. Let's see one thing, like my code. It should not equal to. It should be less than. It should be less than. Five, then minus count 10 only. Nothing new in this. Program. See. Wrong answer on test case 2. Where is the thing is getting wrong? What what doing I do? Literally not getting what the error is like. Why it's failing? Just guessing the things I'm printing. This is peak. This is also a peak. Why it's not happening? That thing is no wrong test case two means like in dreams also it is coming. Wrong test case two. Be calm, easy. I am going to about everything. Let's see that again. I will code full thing. I will code again. Why I'm not getting it? Why the shit is like problem is coming? So let's declare a condition. First, what if n is an even? In case of even number, we know that in case of even number, we know that if k is greater than n divided by 2 minus 1, we have to print the out minus 1 and then return it also. Similarly, for odd, we declare that k is greater than n divided on that we need 5 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2 is 3, so 3 could be possible, 3 peaks could be possible, yeah. 3 and if it's 4, okay, yeah, okay, that's all. Here our minus operation done. Now we know that everything is fine. So K means K peaks are there. So let's declare uh, and first of all like yeah vector I will declare. Okay, so on that vector let's declare A will like have n. Fine. So on that I will first of all make vector. Wait a second. That till how many number it will go. So if I will max, I will declare as n minus. Fine. Why? If there are six and peak is like saying only one peak they required. So yeah, six minus one plus one, six is the only peak. Fine. So one operation only will happen. Fine. Yeah, it's fine. So this uh, I had taken a vector A so that I will do from one to I from where it will go to I. Then let's say like I take count equal to 6. So yeah, we'll go till count. Okay, fine. Count is k I plus plus. In condition I don't need to check. So I plus equal to fine. So on that I will put a of I is equal to max fine. A count equal to max c. Where count plus plus means we arise first. What? Equal to and max c1. Fine. So yeah, max c first operation done. So count equal to 1. Fine. And position is also 1. So yeah, after that what I will do, I will check that if count like here only I will do this only. If count is equal to means the number of peaks which he wants, so you should break it. And yeah, max c minus minus is also required. Fine. So that only it will do operations. And yeah, it had reached the mark which it wants. After that, what I need to do is like for level I equal to 0 to I equal to what's this in index was let's declare it's equal to I. His index was I, so 1. Within 1 it left. So I will go till idx. Yeah, idx plus plus. Here I plus equal to 2. So on that case, what it needs to do, like a of I equal to I plus fine. LL equal to let's say J equal to 1. So J J J plus it will do like this, and after that what it will do for all I for all let's no need to do this all I from IDX plus one index. So I less than I plus plus all the index should have I equal to J plus plus. So our array is completed fully. Fine. And yeah, after that I will print out everything. Auto M. No, this time I will do simple. Both are fine. I will set up A of I. Set up that. So 5 and 2 if I take, so it's fine. Testing condition passing. Fine. Okay. 2 is greater than 5. Okay, fine. Declare and vector maxi is like max is 5 only, and yeah, it will go like this from index 1. So A of 1 is maxi, which is 5, and count plus plus, and it will become 4. Maxi will become 4, and 1 is not equal to 2. It will go third it will come, and yeah, third is like 4. Count plus plus, maxi will become 2. So maxi become 2, and count plus plus 2 equal to 2. Yeah, it reached the peak. After that it will come out 3. IDX will become 3. Fine. So from j equal to 1, let's say from 0 to index 3. So from 0 1 is like 1, it will print. After that 2 inverse 2. After that here IDX plus 1, 4 to this. So 3 4 5, like this it will go. Yeah, after that it will print this maxi one. Is not useful. What is saying? Expected comma. Oh, sorry. Okay. 1 5 2 4 and 3. 1 6 2 3 4 1. Now this code seems to be good. Okay. Let's submit this. It seems to be good looking. Concept is same only. It's literally so bad with me. Runtime error. How it runtime error? Okay, runtime error, runtime error, runtime error. Now I think it would be fine. Let's see. But at least this is better than wrong answer. At what place I'm lacking? Okay, fine. Okay, where it could go. That's the main problem. Mm, don't know. I literally don't know where I was lacking. Today, no problem. It's not able to solve a problem means like completely. A problem I did, and B also thought about that, but end operation it was and like not able to do. C same issue. A why I'm not able to do. Okay, I think I spent too much time in this. So 40 minutes are remaining, but not able to solve. What next? I also changed the code also in between them. Code mass principal. Why 1 minute? It printed wrong. 180. Okay, okay, fine. Condition also. The hell it is. Jesus. Declare IDX. Access 1. So it would be count 0 and it will see count is like count should be not equal to k. Should be less than count should be less than k. So 0. Okay, IDX I would be 1. So 1. So A of 0 would be 1. J plus plus. It should be 2. IDX 1. Found the problem. I Okay, IDX equal to y. Hmm. Okay, 6 is become 0. So now it should work. Yeah. 6. Okay, we'll submit this again. Small problems are there. Finally accepted. So I was lacking a small problem. What was that problem? This line only needed. I forget, like, if no, so we need to directly print that one. That the thing which was required. Fine. Means instead of writing this also, if I don't write this, I would write like uh, directly. If I write like if k is 0, so you directly print that shorted manner only. So it would be better instead of this. Today after this contest, there is too much to learn. Like, let's make things easy. Fine. Need too much practice. This majorly, like, what IDX. Fine, that is the problem it was creating. And second and third question, I feel it was tougher. And if I see the summation also, it is tougher. 4,000s on that time it was. So yeah, relatively if B1 is easier, so it would goes around 6,000. Now nowadays if we see, so it was around 8,000 to 9,000 summations in B. But on that time it was difficult means. And yeah, today I did a mistake means I think I need to practice more on A problems also. So I can do fast. Because currently I'm practicing B more, but need to do A also. Okay, so uh, that's for today. Means nothing to learn in this question. It's nothing. Just I did a mistake here. Fine. So okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. Thank you.